everybody. We're reading Dogman, Brawl of the Wild, Chapter 9, the major motion picture. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Okay, let's get started. Meanwhile, hey look, it's that living spray factory outlet over there. Hey, and check it out, somebody is robbing the place. Let's get him. Stop, you crazy imposter. Crash. Well, let's find out who the imposter really is. Hey, it's those little fleas guys from the last book. That's right, and we've got one final trick up our sleeve. Flip. Oh no. They've got living spray. If they spray it on that car, it'll come to life. And it'll all be super evil. Super evil, super evil. Chomp swoosh. Hey, that poodle stole my living spray. Let go of my little living spray. Bonk. Tonight, the major motion picture, Dogman. Come on, everybody, downstairs. Let's watch the movie. Come on, Sarah, let's go upstairs and save Zuzu. Rap, ha ha ha, we've got you now. Pow, crack, butt, boot. Hey, want some popcorn? Thanks, Chief. Look, we got the robber. It was just those little fleas guys in the robot suit. Hey, where'd they go? Hurry up, you lazy belly scratchers. I'm pressing the button, so don't be asking. Help! Boy, this 3D movie is the best I've ever seen. Living spray. Warning, condense under pressure. Keep away from flames and stuff. Kaboom! Tonight, Dogman, major motion picture. Meanwhile, hey Papa, when we finish this bee, can we go save Dogman? No. How come? Why should we care about Dogman? He's the reason I got locked up in the first place. Hey Papa, do you want to hear another joke? Click. No, I don't. Why? Because your jokes aren't funny. Why? Because you keep repeating yourself. Why? Because you can't keep doing the same things over and over and over again. Why? Because if you're going to do the same something, you should do it well. Why? Because you should try to improve. Why? Because if you don't challenge yourself to grow, what's the point? Why? Because you should always strive to be a great cat. Why? Hey, I know what you're doing. You're trying to trick me. Why? How should I know? Look, here, mister, I'm the bad guy. That's all I've ever been. You shouldn't keep repeating yourself, Papa. You can't keep doing the same things over and over and over again. If you're going to do something, you should do it well. You should always try to improve, because if you don't challenge yourself to grow, what's the point? You should always strive to be a great cat. Right, Papa? And that's chapter 10, The Great Cat's Bee. We're going to close it up right here, so bye.